My name is Kevin Gundry and I'm one of the owners of Custom Exteriors. I got into this business back in 1989 and I started Custom Exteriors 25 years ago. The employees that work for Custom Exteriors that install windows have been doing this for many years. In fact, some of them have been with Custom Exteriors for almost 25 years. They also have training and they have a master certification program in installing windows. So what is the difference between having windows installed from Custom Exteriors or another window company? The difference is that Custom Exteriors provides all the material to our installers. Some other companies may actually give their installers a budget to install a window, and out of that budget, they're left with the task of going to picking up their own materials to do the installation. Custom Exteriors does not do business that way. We provide all the materials to our installers. They only use the sealants that we provide. They only use the foam, the interior trim, the exterior trim. Everything is provided by Custom Exteriors, and we only install good quality materials because we don't want to have to come back and fix something because we used an inferior product when we did your installation the first time. Custom Exteriors also does training for our installers. All of our guys go through certification processes where we train them to use the tools that they're using. We train them to, use the scaffolding. All those things are very important. So you need to make sure that you're not just going with somebody who gives you a low price, but you want to make sure that you're picking a company that you can trust being in your home.